Hop in. We're headed to the coast for some sensational seafood at one of the hottest spots on Galveston Island. The owner here started as a dishwasher, but he had a dream.
I wash dishes, I clean tables, serve guests food, a lot of what I still do today.
Then we'll take you to hog heaven to meet a national barbecue pro and get down to business about brisket. Oh man.
You good?
Mm-hmm. It is melt in your mouth. Yeah. Literally, it is melting.
Yeah.
And we'll head over to a family brew pub that happens to be on the Texas wine trail for a frosty cold one.
Oh, that's nice.
And a honey pecan chicken you'll never forget. Good Taste starts now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. We were in the mood for a little beach time, so here we are in Galveston, where fresh Gulf seafood rules. There's a cool spot here that has an amazing story. The one-time dishwasher is now the owner. Sand, surf, and sensational views. It's the laid-back Texas Gulf Coast in all its glory, with tropical temptations. So what is that awesome drink you've got there?
The pina colada.
Baskets of burgers and all kinds of good grub that keep beachgoers coming in the door.
Oh, and you got the burgers also.
All at Galveston's go-to gathering spot, called what else? The Spot.
It's really good food, and they have good drinks, good margaritas, and it's a good family fun atmosphere.
They have the balcony. You can go up there and get a better view of the beach or the ocean if you want.
It's easily the island's most popular beach venue, just across from the seawall and down the street from Paradise Pier. Lines are often out the door, and for good reason.
Tyler, your milkshake is ready at the guest room.
Feast your eyes on this fantastic spread. Crispy fried Gulf shrimp with waffle fries, coconut-encrusted mahi with Caribbean salsa, colossal burgers, and crunchy po' boys. Also fresh from the bay, blackened fish tacos, shrimp tacos, even ahi tuna tacos.
Love it. We're here. We enjoyed it. They always have new things on the menu. It's great. Right now, you guys are the only thing keeping me from this plate.
But the food here is only half the story. It all began with a dishwasher who had a dream. For people who have never been to the spot, it really is the spot in Galveston.
Well, we like to think so. We're coming up on 17 years here this May, and it's been a really good ride.
Yeah, you're not kidding. And it didn't always start so big and so busy.
We had very humble beginnings. When we took over about 15 years ago, we had 30 employees. We've grown that to about 300.
And you started here as a dishwasher.
I did. I washed dishes, I cleaned tables, served guests food. A lot of what I still do today. Enjoy your lunch.
Dennis started working at the Spot when he was 17. Back then, it may have only been a small burger joint, but Dennis had a vision. An idea of owning this spot and making it better. But the owner said, not so fast. Now, as I've heard it, you didn't really want to go to college. You knew this was what you wanted to do, and they insisted you get that degree.
Yeah, so sort of, yeah. So I was told no on 3 occasions by the founders when I wanted to purchase the restaurant, only because I had gotten a 4-year education, I did very well in college, and they would more like to have seen me do something that didn't require me to work 7 days a week, 14 hours a day. Determined
to follow that dream, Dennis bought the then struggling burger joint. He made it bigger and better. And you know what they say, if you build it. Take a look at it now.
Essentially, we operate 1 restaurant and 4 bars. 3 of which are adult-only venues, and 1 is family-friendly.
How many people would you say on an average weekend come through here?
This time of year, we're serving about 4,000 guests a day, so it's quite a few people.
Wow.
What are some of the most popular items? There's all kinds of great food here.
Yes, our shrimp kisses is one of our best sellers.
These tasty mouthfuls are made from fresh Gulf shrimp stuffed with pepper jack cheese, wrapped in bacon and served on a bed of fried onion rings. So many good things here.
It's a good place to come and hang out and drink with your friends.
Hey, from a dishwasher to the owner of probably the most successful business on the island, congrats.
God bless. Thank you very much.
This is families and friends, baby.
Families and friends, baby.
Speaking of hot spots, we're taking you to a hot brew pub in the Hill Country.
And I've done about 50 different beers.
And bring an appetite, because this honey pecan chicken is too good to pass up. And we're sharing the recipe. But next, crank up the smoker.
Here. And this is where a lot of your pit mastering comes into play.
Secrets to a perfect brisket from a national barbecue pro. And next, I'll show you the wines. Good things come from Cisco.